It's even weird saying this thing now. Like, I know it's been a minute. Like, it's been more than 7 months since I uploaded a video. Yes, and I'm here for a live update to tell you what happened that I haven't uploaded. Please pardon me. And this year 2023, I promise to be more consistent. So please, I know I keep saying this, but please pardon me. I'm going to be consistent on this channel, at least a video each week. Okay, so let's get right into the video, the reasons why I haven't been consistent. Then the first thing is I have a lot of videos that I couldn't edit because I wasn't getting I wasn't in the right frame of mind, and also wasn't getting enough time to edit them. So I promised to bring you those videos. The second update was your girl got pregnant, so it really slowed me down for a bit. And yes, baby number 2 is on the way. Yay! Yeah, so that's why I couldn't bring you videos back to back, because pregnancy, sometimes you wake up, you're down, you're already tired, don't even have the urge to make videos. That's like one challenge of being an all-round creator. Yeah, so please forgive me, and I know this life update is going to explain things further. The third thing was relocation. We had to relocate from our former place to a new place, so like get a transfer for jobs, going to look for a house, loading your things back and forth. So I just didn't get the time. And funny enough, because of my pregnancy, I couldn't even get the strength to even record any video. But the little things that I got, I'll put them together and share. So these are the 3 major reasons why I couldn't upload. And now the main reason is being pregnant, which like it was something I couldn't control, and I didn't expect, and it's just a blessing. So I had to live within the moment and wait till I deliver before I bring you videos. So please stay tuned. Please keep sharing my videos. I know when I was over, I was still getting subscribers. Please share my videos, like, comment, subscribe, and you can watch some of my old videos, and I'll bring you more later. I hope I've been able to convince, if not confuse you, the reason why I wasn't uploading. Yeah, so please stick and stay. Happy New Year as well, and this year promises to be amazing, so stay tuned. See you in another video. Thank you. Peace out.